Hello, good morning, student. Today we have start the chapter Sociology and Society. Society is a group of people who share a common culture, occupy territorial area, and are bound to each other by a common history. Society may be simple, may be complex. It is nature to human beings. We all are social beings. हम सब social beings हैं. We cannot survive without society. हम society के बिना survive नहीं कर सकते. We cannot survive without society. The ह्यूमन बींग्स कैन नॉट अटेन और गोल्स अलोन. वी वांट सोसाइटी. हमारे जो गोल है वो अलोन नहीं कर सकता. हमको क्या चाहिए? सोसाइटी चाहिए. सोसाइटी प्रोवाइड्स अ सिक्योरिटी, रिलेशनशिप, आइडेंटिटी एंड सेंस ऑफ बिलोंगिंगनेस. सोसाइटी इज मैंडेटरी नॉट फॉर मी एट सर्वाइवल बट आल्सो फॉर गुड लाइफ. हमारी गुड लाइफ के लिए सोसाइटी बहुत जरूरी है. सोसाइटी इज अ continuous process. It is not imposed upon people. It goes on as a natural process. Social relations are the base of social structure. Society can be understood in its abstract Helvez concept form. Main characteristics of society are interdependence, cooperation and conflict, mutual awareness, similarities and difference, abstraction in terms of relation and dynamics in nature. Individual and society are directly related to each other. Both are complementary. The individual lives in collective activities not due to compulsion but by necessity. Human beings and the society are inseparable. Although we all individuals are compliant and related, convinced as well as unorthodox, submissive and aggressive. That is all sorts of contradiction and function with opposites. Biological, ecological, and physiological and social factors significantly influence all of us. This this influence casts variation in individual and with all commonality in culture factor. Each individual become unique with different physical and physiological attributes. All human beings are social beings. Social beings हैं. सब human beings जो हैं we all belong to some culture which determines the individual economic maintenance system for personality development. Society basically promote a particular system to everybody in which individuals develop different terms of relationship. In this perspective, human society is different from animal society. Is different human society. Human beings have its own culture and dynamic communication system, whereas animal society has no culture, have no dynamic forms of speech. Behavior is instructive, where we are social beings. Human society is dynamic and interdependence, having common goals and interact among one another, whereas animal society is static. Sociology is systematic. So sociology is a scientific and comprehensive study of society. The very origin of word sociology comes from the Latin word socius and the Greek word ology, to indicate its nature as a hybrid discipline. Auguste Comte, a French philosopher, coined the term sociology in 1838 and called it is the science of human association. He is known as father of sociology. Contribution to his Spencer and Max Weber is significant to develop sociology as a separate discipline. Sociology is a scientific study, but due to its relation with social life, it can be neither be specifically defined nor its boundary can be marked. According to Bottomore, sociology is modern science, not a century-old. Sociology is a new science. Emil Durkheim said that sociology is the study of collective representation, human personality, that is cognitive, and affective, constitutes social fact. These social facts are external dimension of human mind, which control human behavior to maintain the social network. According to Durkheim, all that which is social fact constitute the subject matter of sociology. According to Hobbes, sociology study the interaction of human minds. Park and Burke said that sociology is the science to study collective behavior. According to Max Weber, human activity are goal-directed which fulfill some objective. All human beings engage in action for realization of given goals. Sociology asserts the importance of community and comparative limited possibility that exist for social change. It has often been taken up by the social reform. The present form sociology impairs a large range of different views concerning both what a social science should comprise and what might be the proper subject matter sociology in particular. There are three general conceptions of the objective sociological interest: social structure in the sense of pattern of relationship, which have independent existence होना चाहिए over and above the individual or group that occupy position in this structure at any particular time. Example: the position of nuclear family may remain same from generation to generation. Collective representation means and way of cognitively organizing the words which have a continued existence over and above the individual who are socialized into them. Meaningful social action. According to this view, there is no such thing as society, merely individual or group entering into social relation with each other. देखो सोशोलॉजी में क्या कह रहा है कि एक ह्यूमन का एक सोशल जो है सोशल बीइंग है और वो बिना सोसाइटी के एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर सकता। ठीक है, तो सोसाइटी एक इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है ह्यूमन की लाइफ में। ओके, तो उसके बारे में बताया गया है कि किस तरीके से जो है सोसाइटी और ह्यूमन बीइंग एक दूसरे से रिलेट है। ठीक है, और किस तरह से उनका रिलेशन है सोशल लाइफ से। ठीक है, वो सारा हमको सोशोलॉजी बता रहा है। सोशोलॉजी हमारी सामाजिक चीज़ों के बारे में हमको बता रहा है। अब स्टडी करके जो समाजशास्त्री हैं, समाजशास्त्री वो बताते हैं सोसाइटी जो है इट्स मैंडेटरी नॉट ओनली फॉर सर्वाइवल बट आल्सो फॉर गुड लाइफ के लिए सोसाइटी होना बहुत जरूरी है। ठीक है, और सोसाइटी कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस है, इट इज़ नॉट इम्पोज्ड अपॉन, इट गोज ऑन अ नेचुरल प्रोसेस, एक नेचुरल प्रोसेस पे है, डिपेंड करती है। ठीक है, सोशल रिलेशन आर द बेस ऑफ सोशल स्ट्रक्चर, सोशल रिलेशन जो हमारे बेस है सोशल स्ट्रक्चर। ओके स्टूडेंट, सोसाइटी कैन बी अंडरस्टैंड इन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट एज वेल कॉन्सेप्ट फॉर्म्स। सोसाइटी में भी सिंपल, मे भी कॉम्प्लेक्स भी हो सकती है, सिंपल भी हो सकती है सोसाइटी। इट इज़ नेचुरल टू ह्यूमन बींग्स, ये क्या है, नेचुरल है ह्यूमन बींग्स, वी आर सोशल बींग सर, वी कैन नॉट सर्वाइव विदाउट सोसाइटी। ओके, तो इस चैप्टर जो है हमारा सोसाइटी के बारे में आपको बता रहा है किस तरह से सोसाइटी और ह्यूमन बींग्स एक दूसरे से रिलेटेड है। ओके, तो हम आपस में क्या है एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट है सोसाइटी से, और कुछ बाउंडेशन जो है हमारी वो हैं और धीरे धीरे चेंज हो रहे हैं, और चेंज को भी हमको एक्सेप्ट करके रहना चाहिए। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट।